Do not come for me when you're stuck buying one of those $1,000 stroller wagons because you waited on the one that was a fraction of the price until it was completely sold out. Because there's definitely a reason why that one mom said she returned her Wonder Wagon when she saw the reviews on this thing. So if you've been doing all your research and you're on the hunt for the perfect wagon stroller, this is the one that actually comes with all the features, and I hope by the time you see this video they're not completely sold out. Let me give you a closer look. Unlike the big name brand, you can actually push this one like a stroller, or it comes with the wagon handle on the front of it. They did such a good job with these brown leather accents. The huge handle is completely adjustable to your height by pushing the buttons on the sides here, and look at this, they even gave us 2 built-in parent cup holders. It comes with a huge storage bag that you can literally fit anything in, and normally you have to pay separately for that. This one seats 4 so comfortably. Look at all this space in here, and these are even 5-point harnesses. They have the huge tray for snacks and toys, and they have 2 cup holders here, and they even put 2 cup holders on the front of it. The tray is completely removable, and in my opinion this is the most important feature because you can lock the foot space in on the bottom so it lays flat for nap time. You have the beautiful full coverage canopy that is completely adjustable, and this is the upgraded version, so they even gave us bug nets on all sides. But of course, if you don't want the bug nets, they made it so you can even zip it up inside the canopy. This is absolutely genius. This is incredible. If you're looking for a wagon stroller for the summertime to make your life a little bit easier but you don't want to break the bank, they're having a huge sale right now, so if you see a link at the bottom of the video, definitely don't wait because at this price I know they're going to go fast.